Here we are, we're inside of the main sewer. We're going to pull it back through into the kitchen line. You'll see where the line is damaged. We're just coming out of the main. This is now on our 2-inch line. We cleaned it so you get a good view of it. And that's coming just up the stack of the kitchen. You can see right there it's separated. You can see outside of it. Either it broke off at the foundation or something. We can't see anything from up here, so it's inside the floor there. Just separated and leaking to the outside earth. Finish pulling it out. That's the access that we used inside of the Fernco. We went down where it's Fernco'd together. And then we'll show you down here where it comes down. So it comes down right there. Hold on, let me get it leveled out. Comes down right there and goes into the floor. Right behind this is that half wall that it's leaking down, and it's definitely coming from this kitchen sink. When you're running water down it, when you're cleaning it, you could see all the black water. That was the sludge that was coming down. Thank you.